Today we're going to talk about using the least amount of coins to make an amount. So when you're given an amount in a real world setting, you want to be able to give the least amount of coins possible, usually. Now obviously sometimes you won't have all the coins you need, but in an ideal scenario you'd be able to give whoever was asking you for this amount of money the exact right amount of money and the least amount of coins possible. You don't particularly want to go handing someone a bunch of pennies. So, let's talk about how to make 32 cents with the least amount of coins. Now, we know one way to make 32 cents is to have 3 dimes and 2 pennies. So 3 tens, 2 ones, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. And that gives us a total of 5 coins we have to use to make 32 cents. Now we can use one less coin by, instead of using 3 dimes that make 30, we can use 1 quarter and 1 nickel. That also gives us 30 cents because we have 25 cents plus 5 more is 30 cents, and then we would still use our 2 pennies. And this way, we only use a total of 4 coins to make 32 cents instead of 5. Now, I want you to think of the way to make 55 cents with the least amount of coins. So go ahead and pause the video, and if you have coins in front of you you're working with, go ahead and try and figure out how to use those, or use whatever you're using to symbolize coins to make 55 cents with the least amount of coins you can. Now the way you make 55 with the least amount of coins is you only actually need 3 coins. You use 2 quarters and a nickel. So if we count that, we have 25, 50, and then our nickel gives us 55. So to make 55 cents, we only need 3 coins. Now again, there are other ways to make 55 cents, but this would be the most practical and easiest once you become proficient in counting coins.